Good evening, good evening, good evening. Once again, this is your captain speaking. This episode we're going to be looking at my TV aerial, but first let me introduce you to some new arrivals down at the marina. Okay, so this is a little project. It's my TV aerial for the boat. I stuck my TV aerial on one of these things you use for picking up glass, and it worked absolutely brilliantly for a little while, but now it doesn't work at all. So the idea is take this off, take a bit of flat steel, weld it on, and then I can stick it to the roof of the boat with magnets. That's the idea. Right, first job, get this off. Easy, that's that done. Now I don't know whether I'm going to use this bit of pole or not, because it's quite thin. I'm not a particularly good welder, and I just feel I might actually just blow holes in it, so I'm going to give it a go and see what happens. If not, I've got some steel pipe, heavy steel pipe here, which I can use instead. So the first thing will be to get some steel plates. This is a bit of scrap, and I think if I cut it along there, that will give me the biggest bit I can get out of it. There we've got the plate. I could do with being a bit bigger, but that's all I've got. So the pipe's got to go on that. I think because this has got holes in it and it's so rusty and thin, I'm actually just going to cut a bit of this pipe instead and use that. Forget that. So that's the bit we're going to use. Quite amazing. I've actually managed to cut it off square, which has got to be a first. So that needs to go on there. That looks about right. I'm happy with that. There we go. Probably not the greatest weld in the world, but that is well and truly on there, so I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is get a bit of green scratchy stuff and just squeeze it in the top there, so I can put a bit of filler on top. That'll just hold it in place while it sets. Should we do that? And while I've got a tiny bit left, I'm just going to cheat and put a little bit around my really bad weld, just to make it look nice. Just tidy it up a little bit. Fine job. Little bit of paint, and then it'll just be a case of attaching the magnets, sticking the aerial on top, and then that'll be done. And there it is on the roof. It's really windy tonight, so I reckon that's a really good test. Oh yes, that's working. I can now watch EastEnders if I really want to, which actually I don't. Still, it'll keep First Mate Johnson happy when she comes to visit.